Today I'm going to walk you through basic use of our all-in-one style doors featuring our fully reusable dual stage latch mechanism. Today this door is equipped with a burglar gate. So to use this door, you're going to need your red reset rod included with your door. In order to reset your door or open your door once it has been locked and if you're not breaching, all you do, take your rod, insert it through the latch mechanism. There's a little hole on the back side of the latch that you want to get the little nipple on the end of the reset rod through. Next, you'll pull the rod towards the outside of the door. This will release the latch mechanism. Notice I'm able to open the burglar gate freely. Once you've done that, you have full access to your door. Here you're going to see all the different parts that you have for breaching. So number one, you have your linear strike plate. This allows you to run linear charges on the latch side of your Gen 2 all-in-one door. You also have this very large strike plate. This will accept any of your standard hockey puck charges, a battering ram. It also has your ballistic breach ports here. To use your ballistic breach ports, we're actually going to lock out your reusable latch mechanism. So also included with your door is this lockout key. What you'll do is, once again, insert your red reset rod, pull it towards you to expose the lockout pin slot, slide the lockout pin in. The latch is now locked out and the door can now swing freely. Next, you're going to grab your consumables, which is just a simple piece of 2x4 and a simple piece of 1x3 strapping. You'll take this 2x4, insert it in the pocket behind the door, then slide your retainer, your 2x3 in the back. Then you can do your standard 45-45 ballistic breach. Now, if you are just doing simple ram and pry training, you can unlock your latch mechanism here. If you notice on the inside of the door here, you have a dual stage wedge mechanism. That wedge simulates the initial break of a lock and then the final push through the door frame. This mechanism is fully adjustable using the adjustment key included with your door. To do this, take your adjustment key, insert it into the hole that's in the center of your movable latch mechanism. To make the door more difficult to breach, rotate the tool clockwise. To make it less difficult to breach, you can rotate it counterclockwise. Now, don't over torque this. It's not going to get more difficult when you feel that wall at the back side or at the front side. Don't keep tightening it. It's not going to get any more difficult. On the front side of the door here, you have your door stops. These door stops are segmented for a reason. One, you have this area here with no door stops. So you can simulate a door that's already been peeled and the door stop is no longer in existence. Or you have a nice strong door stop here to simulate commercial steel doors. So it gives you the best of both worlds. On the back side of our Gen 2 all-in-one style doors, you have a couple key features that are pretty cool. One, you have this crushable door panel. So if you notice, you've got these big industrial springs up here that actually allow the door panel to crush in on itself a full inch. This comes in really key when training outward swing Halligan breaches or outward swing hydraulic breaches. This allows the door to move with the tools, keeping your door in good condition for long-term use and durability. Also, on the back side of this door, you have multiple lock barricades options. So you can use simple pieces of 1x3. They just stick right through. Cheap, easy consumables to make things a little more difficult, to dial up the difficulty for your team. You also have two chain hooks here. This allows you to put chain in the back side of the door to simulate a chained barricade. You'll notice here on the back side of your ballistic breach ports, you have this large nut. This is the nut for your handle. This door, if you notice, can be flipped. So it could be a right-hand swing door, a left-hand swing door, an inward swing door, or an outward swing door. This allows you to move the doorknob to the proper position on the door.